Imagine you're floating in space. No helmet, no spacesuit, just you, surrounded by black silence. You take a breath and suddenly realize there's no air. What happens next isn't instant death, but it's horrifyingly fascinating. Let's see, from a doctor's point of view, exactly what your body goes through. Space is a vacuum, meaning there's no oxygen, no air pressure, and extreme temperatures. Your body evolved to live under Earth's pressure of about 1 atmosphere. So removing that pressure throws every biological system into chaos. The lungs. Rapid decompression. If you tried to hold your breath when suddenly exposed to space, you'd cause instant damage. Without external pressure, the air trapped in your lungs would expand violently, tearing the delicate alveoli, tetany sacs that exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. Result? Pulmonary barotrauma. Your lungs literally burst. So astronauts are trained to exhale immediately if depressurized to prevent this. Even if you exhale, within about 15 seconds, the oxygen already in your blood runs out. You'd lose consciousness due to hypoxia, lack of oxygen to the brain. The blood and circulation, boiling without heat. Now comes something called abysalism. In space, pressure drops so low that the boiling point of body fluids falls below body temperature. That means the water in your saliva, tears, and even blood plasma starts to form gas bubbles. No, you don't explode. Your skin and blood vessels are strong enough to hold you together, but your body swells to nearly twice its size. Your face and hands puff up, your skin stretches, and gas bubbles cause pain in your joints. A bit like an extreme version of the bends that divers get. The heart and oxygen depletion. As oxygen disappears, your blood turns dark blue. The heart keeps beating for about 20-30 seconds, trying to pump deoxygenated blood, but brain cells start to die from lack of oxygen. You'd enter circulatory and cerebral hypoxia, confusion, vision blackout, and finally, unconsciousness. Eyes and mucous membranes. With no air pressure, the fluid on your eyes and tongue begins to boil, not hot boiling, but turning into vapor bubbles. Your eyes would bulge slightly. Saliva evaporates, making your mouth feel dry and frozen. And within seconds, the moisture in your skin begins to escape, giving your body a frozen balloon-like look. Temperature and radiation. Contrary to what movies show, you wouldn't instantly freeze or burn. Heat transfer in space is very slow. There's no air to conduct heat away. But over minutes, direct sunlight would burn one side of your body up to 120 degrees, while the shaded side could drop to 100 degrees. Meanwhile, cosmic radiation, gamma rays, X-rays, and charged particles would start damaging your DNA, the very blueprint of your cells. The end stage, within 15 seconds, you're unconscious. Within 90 seconds, your heart stops. In about 2 minutes, all biological functions cease. Your body would float, swollen but intact, slowly freezing and preserved in the endless cold of space. So no, you don't explode, but your body becomes a tragic, silent reminder of how fragile human life is outside our blue planet. That's why every bolt, every seal, every oxygen tank in a spacesuit is literally the difference between life and death.